So, this bread even looks different than the other White Manna. Alright y'all, so now we in Jersey City off of Tennelle Avenue. And I think I'm on a burger craze maybe. But we gonna go and check out White Manor. Check it out, y'all. Let's check it out. Check it out, y'all. Got burgers. Got the burgers. It's not that crowded in here. How you doing? All right. I beat the rush, right? I'm gonna get just 2 cheeseburgers and a drink.
Thank you. We have a special.
Oh, you got special?
3 cheeseburgers, French fries, and soda for $10.
Y'all hear that? 3 cheeseburgers, French fries, and a soda. How much is the 2? How much is the 2 and just the soda?
$6.
Give me just the just give me to the 2. That sounds good, but I'm just my stomach is getting big, man. This is cool, man.
Really nice, man.
I went to the other White Manor up north. This is the original. Wow. What's the history? How many years?
It's 85 years almost.
85.
It's
Go.
from the 1939 World's Fair.
Mmm.
This one, right here.
You hear that, y'all? Okay, y'all. So, this bread even looks different than the other White Manna. Look, y'all. That burger look like it's been sitting on the grill for a minute. The cheese is, I don't know. So I wanted to throw in a clip from episode 110, White Manna in Hackensack. Look at that, man. Doesn't it look much different than the burgers here in Jersey City? This is from episode 110. Check it out when you get a chance. Back to Jersey City. This was $6 with the drink, 6 and some change. It's still steamy. And I don't know, it just looked like it's been sitting around for a minute. Let's check out the taste. I'm gonna put a little ketchup on it. Let's check it out. What's going on, fam? It's your man Matt DV. We're in Jersey City, New Jersey, and I'm at the first White Manna. You know, it's something about when you eat White Castles, you have that sogginess. And I can just look at this and tell that that's not happening. I'm gonna put a little ketchup on it because I like ketchup just a tad. Just a tad on that one and a tad on that one. See, I didn't put, for y'all to be like, D, you put a lot of ketchup. That's not that much ketchup. And a little salt. Before I even taste it, I'm going for it, man. This is gonna be a quick review. Already, I don't like the way they look, but I could be surprised. First White Manna was good. Y'all know I was at White Castles live the other day, so I'm like, okay, let's give White Manna another chance at the original White Manna.
That school where the rich parents get their own kids kidnapped. Yes, abuse, but also kidnapped from his own home to go to school.
All right.
It's fine. He's really
I started to say that tastes like one of the burgers we cook at the cookout. Just without that charcoal flavor taste. It's not as dry as it looked. I taste a little bit of that White Castle sogginess. And that's why I love White Castles. I love White Castles because they have that sogginess. And those onions. I don't see any onions. Hold up. Let me check it out. I don't know. I don't think I see any onions on there. But it still has that, you see the bread? It still has that, like, White Castle sogginess right there. See that? Okay, first of all, let me finish eating. Okay, y'all, this is the second one, right? I just need you to know that bread right there is a little stiff, man. You know? And the cheese is not melted. See that? These burgers were, you seen when I filmed back there, they were kind of sitting on the grill already, so it is what it is. Look at the cheese, it's sticking up.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna beat the chat. Okay,
Okay, here's my verdict. If I would have caught them doing rush hour, right now it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If I would have caught them doing rush hour, they probably would have been making them fresh and it would have had a fresher taste to it. I would give the other White Manna a 9. I would give this one a 5. And I would give White Castle's. That double cheeseburger I had at White Castle's, I had the 2 double cheeseburgers. Them jokers hit the spot, man. I would give them a 10. You know, this one's a 5. Even the bread, man, that piece, well, not that piece, that piece of bread right there is hard. I mean, it's a little, maybe it's grilled crispy, but I don't never remember my bun being crispy from, I almost got a crunch to it. It's probably been sitting on the grill that long. That's probably it, you know. Anyway, that's my verdict, man. This your man, Matt TV, signing off from Jersey City at White Manna. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cat. See you at the next one. Peace.